This is Pioneer's DMH-240EX. This is a tuned-in digital media receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back videos and music from a USB flash drive. There are RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers, and it has a 13-band graphic EQ. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we'll flip this over and pop it open. There we go. First thing we see here are the installation screws. 8 install screws there. And next we have kind of a hardware pack here. So let me open up this hardware pack. Inside here we have the wire harness. This is the wire harness for connecting power and ground and all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to your vehicle. Then we have the input-output wire harness. It plugs into the back of the receiver. I'll show you where that goes in a moment. And we have the Bluetooth microphone. The Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up, we have the owner's manual and the warranty card in the same package there. Owner's manual and warranty card. And remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual for this product right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And now let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The DMH-240EX is a digital media receiver. This means it doesn't play CDs or DVDs. And as you can see, the shallow chassis opens a lot of interesting installation options for different vehicles. The front panel of the DMH-240EX has the volume control right here. The home button is here. The USB port is right here on the front panel. You can use this to play back music and movies from a USB flash drive and to charge your phone. This is a digital media receiver, and it does not play CDs or DVDs. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. On the back panel of the DMH-240EX, we'll start off with the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle, and that will plug in right here. This jack is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and that microphone is included with the in-dash receiver. This one is for using your vehicle steering wheel controls to operate the receiver, with the use of an optional third-party steering wheel control adapter. The RCA input and output wire harness will plug into the white port here, and we'll take a closer look at that input and output wire harness in just a moment. This is the 3.5mm auxiliary jack. It can be used to play back audio and video through the in-dash receiver. And finally, the wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer DMH-240EX has a built-in amplifier that's designed to operate up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. Now, let's take a look at that input-output wire harness. Here are the front and rear, right and left RCA outputs, and a mono subwoofer output for operating external amplifiers. If your subwoofer amplifier has 2 RCA inputs, simply use a male-to-male RCA-Y adapter or splitter to connect your amp, and these are 2-volt RCA outputs. The brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. The DMH-240EX is designed for use with the optional ND-BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. The yellow port here is the video output. And that is Pioneer's DMH-240EX. And what's in the box?